It's been a while since that. The reason why I removed my Bachman Thomas unboxing video, just to avoid getting asked questions. Don't worry, I'll remaster it once I find proper packaging. Anyway, about that, you've been knowing that I don't have enough UK trucks lately. That's why I'm going to find them out. By going to, United Kingdom. Yeah, that's the only where I can find. Great. He works properly. Just that's a little different. Here, example. No face moves except he does move. That's a little slow. Not all slow. I gotta put my way a bit too close to it. It causes a lot longer for them to get through. Now we are about to talk about the coaches that I use. This coach is not proper. I remember ever since I bought the steam train I got from Christmas. So I suggest using this. I'd rather do a deal with Thomas, except this thing is UK. It has UK coupling instead of US. Excuse me. I am very disappointed that they don't match. I wish they do, but they don't, so I'm very disappointed in that. No wonder Thomas can only shunt them now. And that causes derailing problems. So yeah. This coach is my problem. Always, ever since. First of all, it doesn't have the right coupling. And I also want to whoa, sorry, I dropped it. Look at this thing does run properly. Just that the coupling doesn't fit. Just let it fit already. When will this thing work? This is why I don't always do this. I have to do this, use this all the time. I always have to use an American steam locomotive to push it. All because it doesn't have the same coupling system. Here it is. Here it is. Well, for a weird dumbass reason, this thing wouldn't even move properly. Excuse me again. Why? Well, the answer to my opinion, this Bachman Thomas actually does run great. The only problem is the coupling. I might have to go travel somewhere to find it, I guess. Yeah, but good luck with that when I risk my life in danger. I am not going. Although I couldn't find the R1428 O scale. First of all, R1428 is O scale instead of HO. Second problem, it's that I couldn't find that there's only a B unit everywhere. I couldn't find the A unit. I mean, some YouTubers have it, like Transit City. I wish I had one too. But what's the worst thing that happen? It's just a track. The only problem is between after the coupling. I realized it's getting more faster. I tried to use a locomotive for that. So here it is. My Bachman Thomas. I ain't changing the face because I like the face design. Why would I want to hate it? The design is just a little messed up and a bit dirty because I couldn't clean it. I wish I did, but sadly I don't know how. About this, something isn't right. It's a lamp. I prefer the Walkman lamp, not this one. But since it broke, guess that's the only choice. That's gonna happen when I get a Percy as well. That's how my Percy also runs like a Thomas. Hope it doesn't be dead. Like the dead one from Thomas, Adam from Thomas Theories I watched. His Walkman Percy did. I just hope when I get a Walkman Percy, I hope I don't get a dead one from on the internet. Well, yeah, I regret my decision all the time. Why do I always get the train to push a steam engine to push Thomas? Cause I make I want to make it like a day out with Thomas. But I don't have the right coupling. Still, that's kind of sick and annoying. I promised to make another YouTube channel. Just about another gaming one. Instead of playing Roblox, I play something else. But I'm doing a setup and a sneak peek. No trailer for a dumb reason. Don't see me. Anyway, I suggest my friend and PST-4R and 4RxMTAFAN and 88 to also collect model trains. Will he? Well, we're both gonna go bankrupt. Anyways, the good news is that this thing still works. I just slowed down again. I suggest have some YouTubers to collect it too. I tried to find an R46 HO scale, but I realized I couldn't find some. They're just a made up. If R160 was also an HO scale, then that would be good. I mean, there's also R21, but I can't find it in the store. Some people has it, like Crafty Fox has one, which kind of looks like R33, but I don't know what the R21 is, cause I only heard of R33. He has that double IRT. There's more types. I'll hear of the Redbirds before. Yeah, but the problem is the damage on the bell. You don't recognize the damage? It did. How? I dropped, it fell. Accident. It almost broke my most expensive model. Nearly, but thank God it didn't break. This is why I suggest you buy the model trains from Facebook. Buying from anywhere else, it can be expensive. So I suggest not to do it on eBay or Amazon. Sorry. It's my nose having problems. I hate when this happens. So basically, I collected model train, not enough though. It's hard to. So basically, that's all for today. So like and subscribe, and I'll see how wrong what else would go wrong. Thanks. Here's a bonus rail planning. Too bad I don't have a station. Whilst I keep getting caught. Oh! Yeah, I don't even know that.